Hi, my name is Ashley Blake and I am going to try the Miss Mustard Seeds milk paint. I've wanted to try milk paint for a while, but I just, for some reason, never got around to it. And so I thought I would do like a first impressions video slash like review. I got this nightstand at a yard sale yesterday and it was already painted this cute color. And I have this color Flow Blue, and it is 30 grams. This is a nightstand that needs to be refinished because there's lots of scratches and just like wear on it, and so I thought it would be really cute to kind of layer the blues together. And I am experimenting, and so I'm okay with it being extra chippy. I know that if you have it on an already finished piece, then it's going to be more chippy than usual if you don't put like the base down. So I don't know, I'm just trying it out. We'll just see how it goes. This was $11 on Amazon, and it says it covers 10 square feet. And so we'll just see how far it goes. And I also want to make another video comparing chalk paint to milk paint. And so I'm not going to use, I don't think, all of this. And so we'll try it out. I'm gonna try it with like wax and dark wax and see how it, like the finish is and how it sands down. I just am going to experiment, so if you're interested in seeing that, keep watching. So I'm just going to try it out. I have never mixed this before, but I watched in my research a couple people saying to do it with, I think I'm just gonna try a little bit first and see how that goes. People said to mix it with like a fork. Just try to get the clumps out. Let's see if you can see it. Okay, it's still pretty clumpy. I'm gonna see what this consistency looks like first before I mix any more. That might even be too watery. I'm really not sure. It's a really pretty color so far though. Just trying to get all of my brush strokes out. Okay. Let's try. Kind of weird working with paint that's so thin. I knew it was going to be thin. And I still don't know if my consistency is what it needs to be. But when I first applied it, it was like, I don't know how well you can see it, but it was almost like separating and bubbly, and then it kind of like evened itself out really nicely, which is kind of different. Okay. Just see how that's on this side. Just paint this side. So far, I'm really liking how it looks on the drawers. It's really very pretty. I have to say, so far I'm really like enjoying this paint so far. It's really kind of interesting. Also on the thing it says that you should mix it a couple times. If you can see, it's already kind of like clumping on the bottom. I don't know. So maybe I should, it says to mix it throughout to keep mixing it. So maybe a little better. Okay. It has a really interesting smell. Oh, you know what it smells like? It smells like oh, it's so weird. It smells like soil. It smells like potting soil. That's so weird. Oh my gosh. Okay. Yeah, no. It smells like potting soil. Okay, I'm gonna finish doing the first coat and then we'll see how it dries and then I will go ahead and do the second coat. So. This is a close-up of my first coat. It's still a little bit drying, but I just wanted to show you the coverage, and I didn't mix up any more than I did at the beginning. This is my second coat. I mixed up just a little bit more. I hope you guys can see like the little bubbles that form when you first brush it on, and then it evens itself out, which is kind of cool. So I'm noticing that it is kind of taking and lifting up the paint where I'm applying it right now. And I think that's because it's wet. I heard that you can like just stress it with a wet cloth to kind of reactivate like the chippiness, I guess. I don't know, we'll have to see later, but I hope that it doesn't show like the blotchiness. I don't know if I love that. You know, milk paint is unpredictable. Okay, so for my last coat of paint, I'm gonna make it really thick because I haven't gotten any chips yet, and I'm wondering if my paint was just too thin. So we're gonna try to do a thicker last coat. So it's dry and it's kind of a really weird texture that I've never had experience with before. It's a kind of, I don't know, but I'm gonna try to wet distress it, I guess, and see. So that's kind of unique, I guess, to this kind of paint, that you can just wipe it and then it will distress. I'm gonna try it now with my sanding block. gonna take a dry rag and just get all of the dust off of the piece. Then I was also curious to see what the finish looked like once it was waxed.